Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit Bitcoin in your HTX account. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video without wasting any time. Open HTX. Now once we have opened HTX, we have to tap on deposit now. So once we tap on deposit now, the next step we are going to do is to tap on this P2P arrow button over here and then tap on deposit. Now once we tap on deposit, over here we have to search for Bitcoin, also known as BTC. So you cannot directly buy Bitcoin from HTX. For that you have to choose a particular exchange or a wallet which have a Bitcoin in it. So let's suppose I have my Bitcoin in my Binance account and I want to transfer it to HTX. So we have to do in this way. Now once we search for Bitcoin, tap on Bitcoin and search for the deposit network, which is mostly going to be Bitcoin, or you can choose any network, but make sure it is the same network on both sides, otherwise your crypto will get lost. So once we do that, we have to copy this deposit address. Now the next step is to open that particular exchange or the wallet which have your Bitcoin in it. So I have my Bitcoin in my Binance as an example. Once we open Binance, tap on wallets on the bottom right corner and then tap on withdraw. Again tap on withdraw and on the top search for BTC and click on BTC. Now we have to choose the first option, which is send via crypto network, and paste that address over here. As you can see, it automatically detected our network, which is Bitcoin. Now the next step is to write down the amount of Bitcoin we want to send to HTX. After writing down the Bitcoin amount, tap on withdraw. Now once you tap on withdraw, you have to confirm your transaction as it is a big amount. So after a few moments, you will receive the email or confirmation email that you have successfully transferred your assets from Binance to your HTX account, and that's how you can easily buy and deposit Bitcoin in your HTX account. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.